Congratulations, and I'm really happy that you have taken time to enroll in this course. And trust me, the universal fund of life gonna remain same, which is the more you learn, the more you gonna earn. And before I talk about this course and about me, I would love to ask you a question. And the question is, how many of you are interested in making money? Now, this was the question which was asked to me around 10 years back. And trust me, this question has changed my life. And again, I'm asking this question to you is how many of you are interested in making money? And I'm very sure that if you ask this question to anyone, everyone gonna tell you that, okay, I'm interested in making a lot of money. And trust me, when my boss asked me this question around 10, 11 years back, I said the same thing. So my answer was, yes, I want to make a lot of money. And probably everyone in this universe will be interested in making a lot of money. And I remembered, my boss told to me that sort of interested people will never ever make money. And the question is, if interested people are not making money, who's gonna make money? It's committed people gonna make a lot of money. Fine. So my question is, are you interested or are you committed? So by taking this course, you have proved that you are committed to yourself and you want to invest in knowledge. I find this is so crucial. And that's why I say, before we start this session, the more you learn, the more you're gonna earn. And before I start this session, quick about myself. My name is Saurabh Pandey and I'm into digital for last 12, 13 years. And I started my agency in Mumbai around 6, 7 years back. And then I came back to Ahmedabad. I started another company called Brandveda, which is one of very leading digital marketing training institutes in Gujarat. And I've been associated with a lot of universities. I've done 100 plus workshops. I'm a huge fan of Google Ads, social media, paid advertising, search engine optimization. And my objective of creating this course is number one, I want to help you. Now, keep in mind, this is not a free course, right? But you got this for free, but you are investing time, right? We are investing time. And that's why I want to make sure that when you are investing time, you should learn and you should always find opportunity. Fine. So quick tip is before you start with this, number one is you should have a positive mindset, right? So don't quit. Try to finish entire videos, entire course, because I'm very sure that you'll get a lot of value out of it. So even if you're a freelancer or a professional or a student or even a digital marketer, this course is going to add a lot of value. So number one is have positive mindset. Number two is execution is important. Ideation without execution is like an illusion, right? So that's very important. So when we are discussing about tool, make sure that you go to that tool, make pointers, make notes, and start executing it. Point number three is you should always think. So whenever we are discussing anything, make sure that you should think that, okay, if I'm learning something from this video, how can convert that into an opportunity, and how I can convert that opportunity into an action plan. So you must have action plan every section. So there are a lot of sections in this video. So let's say, for example, if I'm talking about Google Ads optimization tool, I'm talking about a lot of tools and some optimization strategies. Now, keep in mind, this course will not only talk about tools, but I'm also gonna discuss about key takeaways, which is again very important. So make sure that you implement. Point number three is execution is key. You make pointers, execution is key. Point number four is make sure that you join our Facebook group. I'll share that link to you. And make sure you do that, because we're going to have some live sessions with me and some other experts which will come and give a lot of live sections as well. Point number four is make a note for queries, because if you have a query, probably we surely want to solve that query as well. If you have query, I will try to solve that query as well, right? And make sure that you spend time nicely, stay safe and time nicely, right? So let's start with this session. And there are a lot of sessions. I will be updating this session. This is very good. We love teaching. I love teaching, and I've been teaching last 7-8 years. I've done a lot of corporate trainings, a lot of educational training. You can search Brandveda on Google. You'll get a lot of information. Go and search on Facebook. You'll get a lot of information. And you can always check our reviews. We do have 1,000 plus Google reviews on Google. And teaching is our passion. And only one thing that that I always feel is, can we change someone's life? And that's what had happened when we started this company around 7 years back. Started with 2 students, and it's all because of God grace. It's all because of your time and energy. It's all about you. It's all about your wishes. That we have grown from 2 students to 50,000 plus students. Fine, so let's start learning, and I'm really excited. I cannot wait to see you in this course. And keep in mind, there's not free course. We're gonna learn a lot of things from here, and make sure that you learn every day, because that's how you're gonna grow. Because I will tell you one thing which is really very important, that we cannot build monuments with the help of excuses, right? So make sure that you throw all your excuses, no matter how busy you are, but make sure that you go through these videos, because that gonna get a lot of value out of it. You will get a lot of value out of it. So as I said, you cannot create monuments with the help of excuses, but you can create monuments with the help of actions, and actions are so crucial. So I'm going to demonstrating a lot of things, and this is coming from very vast experience after seeing a lot of projects, pumping a lot of money in Google Ads, working with a lot of tools, automations. We're going to talk about a lot of things, straight from social media to conversion rate optimization, Google Ads, paid advertisements, monitoring, content creation tool. We're going to look into a lot of some of the best tools that you can always rely on. Some of the best tools that best companies are using as of now. Fine, so let's start with this. And I'm really honored to have you all in this course. Take care and dream big, work hard. It's all about digital. The world is getting digital, right? So let's earn a lot of money, and take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.